Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Google account in Windows, PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to create a new Google account, so let's see how you can do that. Now to create a new account, you just need a browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Just open your browser and here just select add account and then you have to select sign in. Just tap on sign in. If you want to open guest Chrome profiles, you can also select don't sign in or stay signed out, but I'm gonna sign in to create a new account. Just tap on this create account option. Or if you already have any Google accounts, you can try to log in with your Google account here. But I'm gonna create a new account here. Just select create account. And then you can select for my personal use, for my work, or for myself. I'm gonna select for my personal use from here. And here you just have to enter your name. So let's say I'm gonna enter my name here. Just enter your first name and then enter your last name. And once you have entered, just tap on next and here enter your date of birth. So let's say I'm gonna enter any random date of birth here. Then select your gender and then select next. Now from here you have to select a Gmail account for you. So you can select any of these suggestions or you can also create your own Gmail address. So let's say I'm going to select this one from here. Just select next option. Now here you have to create a new password. You just have to try to create a strong password which is almost 8 characters long, and then just try to create a new password. Enter your password here and then re-enter your password here. Then select next. So I'm going to create a new password.